So here's how you can use microphone while screen recording on your iPad. Let's get started. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you're subscribed to Foxtecc and you'll never miss anything. So you can swipe down to access the control center. The screen recording toggle should already be there. If not, add it by using the plus button. But before you do begin the screen recording, you can hold down on it and you can see a little microphone icon below. And it can either be gray or red looking. So obviously when it's turned on, it's like red, and it means that you not only capture what's going on the screen, but the microphones of the iPad are active as well. So you can speak over it. If you're teaching something, you can just, say whatever is going on the screen and comment to the video. So that's very useful. Keep in mind that you can as well add the voice over later to the video, for example, using a video editor like CapCut, where you can start a project, import the clip, and you can add in audio by directly speaking over it, right? So there is the ability to add a voiceover using this feature, and you can just simply speak over the video, which doesn't have any sound originally, and you can add it there in this type of video editor. So there are some options, but I believe that, of course, it's better to use it right away while you are already capturing the screen recording. So that would be about it for me. Let me know what you think below in the comments. I really appreciate your support. Hit the thumbs up if it worked, and I'll catch you later.